Hey everyone, welcome back to Think in English, the podcast. This is episode 42, and I'm Lily, your host who loves starting the day with a fresh breath of air and a little movement. Imagine this. It's a cold morning, you're cozy in bed, and your alarm goes off. Do you hit snooze or jump up for a quick exercise? Today, we're talking all about exercise and health routines, how to describe them in English, share your habits, and feel great doing it.
Hi everyone, I'm Ben, the co-host who's always chasing that post-workout glow, even if it means dragging myself to the gym sometimes. Haha. Lily, you're right, that morning struggle is real, but once you start a health routine, it changes everything. Today we'll chat about daily habits, repeat key phrases a lot to help you remember, and have interactive moments where you repeat out loud. Let's make English fun and healthy.
Perfect, Ben. Let's start simple. Why do people exercise? I exercise to stay healthy. That's a basic phrase. I exercise to stay healthy. Listeners, repeat after me. I exercise to stay healthy. Say it slowly first, then faster. Great job. It feels good, right? Ben, why do you exercise?
I exercise to stay healthy, of course, but also to feel energetic all day. After exercise, I have more energy. Key phrase, I have more energy after exercise. Repeat with me. I have more energy after exercise. Yes, imagine saying this to a friend. I exercise to have more energy. It's easy and natural.
Love that. Now let's talk about morning routines. Many people have a morning health routine. My morning routine is simple. I wake up, stretch in bed, and then stand up for some light exercises. I stretch for 10 minutes every morning. Repeat. I stretch for 10 minutes every morning. Pause and say it out loud now. Awesome! Stretching wakes up your muscles gently.
Stretching is smart. My morning routine includes drinking water first thing. I drink a big glass of water when I wake up. I drink water in the morning. Say it. I drink water in the morning. Hydration is super important for health routines. Without water, you feel tired. Then I go for a walk or jog. I go jogging 4 times a week. Repeat. I go jogging 4 times a week.
Jogging sounds fun, but if jogging is too much, you can say, I go for a brisk walk. That's another phrase. I go for a brisk walk. Repeat after me. I go for a brisk walk. Brisk means fast, not slow. It's perfect for beginners. What do you eat for breakfast in your health routine, Ben?
Breakfast is key. I eat healthy food like oatmeal, fruits, and nuts. I eat fruits every day. Key phrase, I eat fruits every day. Listeners, repeat. I eat fruits every day. Fruits give you vitamins. Apples, bananas, berries, yummy and healthy. Do you eat vegetables too, Lily?
Yes, I eat vegetables with every meal. I eat vegetables with every meal. Say it out loud. I eat vegetables with every meal. Carrots, broccoli, spinach, they make you strong. Healthy eating is a big part of health routines. We should avoid junk food sometimes. I try to avoid junk food. Repeat. I try to avoid junk food.
Have a try is the key word. I avoid junk food on weekdays, but weekends, pizza. But seriously, avoiding junk food helps me stay fit. Repeat that. Avoiding junk food helps me stay fit. Staying fit means having a good body shape and feeling good. What's your favorite exercise, Lily?
Yoga. I love yoga because it's relaxing and strong at the same time. I do yoga 3 times a week. Key phrase. I do yoga 3 times a week. Repeat with energy. I do yoga 3 times a week. Yoga poses like downward dog or tree pose are fun. Beginners can start with easy videos online.
Yoga's cool. I prefer the gym. I lift weights twice a week. I lift weights at the gym. Say it. I lift weights at the gym. It builds muscles and makes you feel powerful, like I feel strong after lifting weights. Repeat. I feel strong after lifting weights. But always warm up first to avoid injuries.
Yes, warming up is important. I always warm up before yoga or any exercise. I warm up before exercising. Repeat. I warm up before exercising. Warm up means light movements like arm circles or marching in place. It prevents hurts. Safety in health routines is number one.
Totally agree. Another part, cool down after exercise. I cool down with stretching. I cool down after exercise. Say it. I cool down after exercise. It helps your heart slow down gently. Now, sleep, don't forget sleep. I get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. I get 8 hours of sleep. Repeat. I get 8 hours of sleep.
Sleep is the best recovery. Without good sleep, exercise feels harder. Good sleep is part of my health routine. Repeat that full phrase. Good sleep is part of my health routine. Listeners, how many hours do you sleep? Think about it and say, I get blank hours of sleep.
Great interactive moment. Now, let's talk weekly routines. On weekends, I cycle with friends. I cycle on weekends. Repeat. I cycle on weekends. Cycling is great cardio. It means good for your heart. Do you swim, Lily?
Sometimes. I swim once a month at the pool. I swim once a month. Say it. I swim once a month. Swimming is low impact, meaning gentle on joints. Perfect if you have knee problems. Another activity, hiking. I go hiking in nature when I can. I go hiking. Repeat. I go hiking.
Hiking sounds adventurous. Hiking helps me connect with nature. Repeat. Hiking helps me connect with nature. Fresh air and views. Bonus for mental health. Health routines aren't just physical, they're for mind too.
Exactly. Exercise reduces stress. Exercise helps reduce stress. Say it out loud. Exercise helps reduce stress. After a tough day, a walk clears your mind. Now, tracking progress. I use an app on my phone. I track my steps with an app. Repeat. I track my steps with an app.
Me too. Apps motivate you with goals. I set daily goals like 10,000 steps. I set daily goals. Key phrase. I set daily goals. Repeat. I set daily goals. Small goals are better than big ones at first. Start with 5,000 steps if you're new.
Smart. Motivation tips. Find a buddy. I exercise with a friend. Say it. I exercise with a friend. It's more fun and you encourage each other. Or listen to music. I listen to music while exercising. Repeat. I listen to music while exercising. Music is my secret. Upbeat songs make jogging fly by. Another tip, reward yourself. After a week of exercise, I reward myself with a favorite treat, healthy one mostly. I reward myself after a good week. Repeat. I reward myself after a good week. Rewards keep it fun. Don't be too strict. If you miss a day, no problem. It's okay to miss a day sometimes. Say it. It's okay to miss a day sometimes. Consistency over time is what matters. I stay consistent most days.
Yes, positive attitude. Let's practice a longer conversation. Imagine asking a friend, "What's your health routine like?" I'll answer as Ben. My health routine includes jogging, lifting weights, eating vegetables, and getting good sleep.
Nice. Now you, listeners, pause and say your own "My health routine includes" your activities, like stretching, walking, healthy eating, out loud.
Perfect practice. More vocabulary. Cardio exercises like running, cycling, swimming. Cardio exercises are good for the heart. Repeat. Cardio exercises are good for the heart. Strength exercises like weights or push-ups. Strength exercises build muscles.
Push-ups. I do push-ups at home. I do push-ups every other day. Say it. I do push-ups every other day. Start on knees if full ones are hard. Squats too. I do squats for legs. Repeat. I do squats for legs.
Bodyweight exercises are free and easy. No gym needed. I do bodyweight exercises at home. Repeat that. I do bodyweight exercises at home. Planks for core. Planks strengthen my core. Say, planks strengthen my core.
Core means tummy muscles. Strong core helps posture. Good posture from exercise. Repeat. Exercise improves my posture.
Now, drinks. Besides water, green tea. I drink green tea for health. Say it. I drink green tea for health.
Smoothies. I make smoothies with fruits and veggies. Repeat. I make smoothies with fruits and veggies. Blender magic, quick breakfast. Snacks. Nuts or yogurt. Nuts are a healthy snack. Say it. Nuts are a healthy snack.
Interactive. What's your healthy snack? Say, my favorite healthy snack is something, like banana or carrot sticks. Yum.
Fun. Rest days. Important. I take rest days every week. Repeat. I take rest days every week. Body needs recovery. On rest days, light walk or nothing.
Balance. Exercise and rest. Say exercise and rest. Too much exercise can make you tired or injured.
Let's add jokes. Why did the tomato turn red? Because it saw the salad dressing. Healthy food joke.
Funny. Or why don't eggs exercise? They might crack up. Get it? Crack up means laugh or break.
Good one. More phrases. I feel better since starting my routine. Repeat. I feel better since starting my routine. Exercise boosts my mood. Say it. Exercise boosts my mood.
Mood means how you feel emotionally. Happy chemicals from exercise. Now, common questions. How often do you exercise? Answer, I exercise 3 times a week.
Or, what do you do for fitness? I do a mix of cardio and strength. Repeat. I do a mix of cardio and strength.
Let's role play more. Ben, ask me, Lily, do you have any tips for staying healthy?
Sure. Lily, do you have any tips for staying healthy? Yes. Drink water, eat balanced meals, move every day, and sleep well.
Great tips. Now, listeners, answer in your head or out loud. My tips are your ideas.
Excellent. Another section, seasonal routines. In summer, I run outdoors more. In summer, I exercise outdoors. Repeat. In summer, I exercise outdoors.
In winter, indoor like yoga or gym. In winter, I prefer indoor exercises. Say, in winter, I prefer indoor exercises.
Weather affects routines. Bad weather, I exercise at home. Repeat. Bad weather, I exercise at home.
Adapt. Flexibility in health routines. I stay flexible with my routine. Say, I stay flexible with my routine.
Now for A2 to B1 levels. Simple sentences. I like walking. Walking is easy. I walk 30 minutes a day.
Running makes me sweat. Sweat means, well, you know. I sweat when I run. Repeat if you want.
Sweating is good. Cleanse body. More. I breathe deeply during yoga. Deep breathing relaxes me.
Breathing exercises. I do breathing exercises for calm. Repeat. I do breathing exercises for calm.
Calm is opposite of stress. Great for everyone.
Let's quiz time. Question 1. Phrase for morning stretch. I stretch in the morning.
Yes. Question 2. Avoid what? I avoid junk food.
Question 3. Sleep. I get enough sleep.
Question 4. Motivation. I set small goals.
Question 5. Fun exercise. I dance at home.
Super! You know a lot now.
More repeats. I exercise to stay healthy. I go jogging. I do yoga. I eat vegetables. I drink water. I set goals. I reward myself. My health routine makes me happy.
All these phrases, use them daily.
One more role play. Friend says, I'm tired all the time. You say, try exercising. It gives energy.
Or, Start a health routine with walking and good food.
Helpful.
Time flying. Let's think about long term. I've had this routine for 6 months. It changed my life.
Consistency pays off. Pays off means gives results.
Results like better health, more confidence.
Confidence. Exercise boosts confidence. Repeat. Exercise boosts confidence.
Yes, you feel proud.
Proud of yourself. Best feeling.
Now, summarize time, but first, more encouragement. You're amazing for listening and practicing English this way. Every repeat makes you better.
Keep going. Even slow progress is progress.
All right, quick overview. Today in episode 42, we talked about exercise and health routines. Why we do it? To stay healthy, have energy, reduce stress. Activities? Stretching, jogging, yoga, lifting weights, cycling, swimming, walking, dancing. Food? Eat fruits, vegetables, balanced meals, avoid junk food sometimes. Other? Drink water, get sleep, warm up, cool down, set goals, reward yourself. Take rest days, stay consistent.
Key phrases we practiced many times. I exercise to stay healthy. I stretch every morning. I go jogging 3 times a week. I do yoga. I eat vegetables every day. I avoid junk food. I set small goals. I reward myself after exercising. I take rest days. My health routine makes me feel good. And lots more.
Use them when talking to friends, family, or even yourself in the mirror. Record your voice saying them. Fun way to practice speaking.
You're doing fantastic, listeners. Be kind to yourself. Start small and enjoy the journey to better health and better English.
Thanks for joining us on Think in English, the podcast. Stay active, stay happy, stay learning.
See you in the next episode. Bye for now.
Bye, everyone. Take a deep breath and smile. You've got this.